सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशमनिशं हृदि भावयामि। श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। Today, 24th of November, is the Krishna Avatara Puja after 6:30. Almost everybody might have heard about the Lord Krishna, again an avatara or incarnation of Mahavishnu. There is no end for his leelas, playings, no end, endless. The word Krishna itself means that the person who attracts towards him a wonderful color, the color of the sky. That's why they call Neela means bluish, Megha again the color of cloud, a mixed color of cloud and blue sky, and it is called as Shyama color. Slight blackish blue is the color, an attractive color, and the beauty of the body also. We cannot explain the beauty of Lord Krishna. And the word itself means, I told, Krishna, the person who attracts by the appearance, the beautiful appearance, he attracts towards him. Due to the attraction of the beauty of the eyes, the beauty of the nose, the beauty of the reddish lips, the beauty of dark black hairs, the beauty of ears with beautiful ornaments, with beautiful glazing or attracting colored diamond and precious stones. And after that precious stones, his beautiful face again become shining. Just by seeing the face itself will attract that much beautiful luster he had. Of course, it will be there because he is an incarnation for the dharma paripalana of the whole world, to bring the world to the balance of dharma. Dharma samsthavanam, which was the duty. His aim was that one. He incarnated as a divine incarnation, as a son of Devaki Devi in Mathurapuri. His father was Vasudeva. So again he incarnated in the prison with big strong walls made out of even stone, black stone. In that it was a divine birth. It was not the due union of a man and woman. Out of his intention he incarnated. It is not a normal birth. It was not a normal birth. He took an incarnation in the prison. And at night, everybody there in the Mathurapuri, the soldiers and the watchmen, the time of his birth, everybody were dozing and they did not understand he is going to take birth. Of course, his uncle Kamsa, the demon king, told that beware of his birth. On the spot he gets birth. Take him and kill him like that. Not to throw him away or not to get him out of this prison. Everybody was there standing outside observing. At the time of birth, everybody were dozing and they did not. This soldiers or the host or the watchmen did not understand that he has taken birth. Only Devaki Devi and Vasudeva. He understood and he came out of the room of prison and divinely he entered the room of Devaki Devi. There he saw and took that shining baby and prayed him, and Devaki Devi also prayed him, and he told them, "Oh Father Vasudeva, please take me to Gokulam." And according to his advice or command, the young boy's command, he took him to Gokulam and kept him at the bed of Yashoda Devi and took the other baby of Devi Durga Devi. It was incarnation of Durga Devi in Yashoda's womb, and he, Vasudeva, took her with the blessings of Lord Vishnu was with in his hand and took him and kept him there and took her, and she was brought to Mathurapuri and kept in Devaki Devi's prison room. And the next moment she cried. The young kid cried. It was incarnation of Durga Devi. She cried like anything, and then every soldier just woke up and how something she had delivered, and they opened the door and they saw a baby. She was a lady. Oh, what happened? And they told Kamsa, and Kamsa came and took her in his hand and he threw her on the rocks. And on the moment, that small baby just flied to the sky and attributed the form of Durga Devi. And she told that, oh, Kamsa, the man who is going to kill you has incarnated and he is not here. I am Durga. And people call me Bhadragali, Kali, Sharike, Mallike, Sharade, etc. There are several names are there. And your killer has incarnated. He is in this world only. Again he became frightened and Durga Devi just went away in front of him. And then the Leelas of Krishna started in the Gokulam like that. And from that there are 90 chapters describing his Leelas in the beginning Gokulam, and he went to Vrindavanam. There the Leelas, Rasa Leela, etc., the famous Rasa Leela with the Gopikas, Kalivas. There are several stories about Lord Krishna, his playings, and the second half, his marriage with Rukmini Devi, and 8 Satyabhama, Bhadra, Satyaga, etc. 8 Ashtamahishis they call. Mahishi means the wife of the king, like Ashtamahishi, Udvaham, etc. And the whole Leelas is being described in total 90 chapters. There are about 200 pages are there in slokas, and each and every slokas, if you are going to the depth, there is no end. The meaning cannot be told properly. To tell something about Krishna Leela, it is very, very difficult. And today we are going to have Krishna Avatar Puja, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, Sri Krishna, with the flute. And that's all. I do not get words to explain this playings. Pranams to all. Namaskar. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. Sarve santu niramayaha. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhave.